this is Simply Made Fancy, and this is your tip of the week. January 19th is National Popcorn Day, and I'm gonna teach you how to elevate your popcorn game. The main ingredient starts with good quality popcorn kernels that you'll need. Not the stuff that you buy that you pop into the microwave, although in a quick pinch, they make a great snack, but this is an elevated version, right? I'm gonna use this Cuisinart microwavable popcorn bowl that I got a couple of years ago, and this is what I've been using all the time now. You can also do it on your stovetop if that's how you do it, or if you have a popcorn machine. But I'm gonna do it the microwavable way with this container. Just gonna take the popcorn and instead of butter, I use olive oil, and I just drizzle a little bit in there. And then some pink Himalayan salt. You can also use kosher salt. And now it's time for some rosemary. Make sure that it's like dried rosemary is better. Just sprinkle it in there. And at the end, we'll add another little bit of surprise. And then ready to pop it. Popcorn popped. And now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. A little bit more salt. You can add a little bit more rosemary. Shake it. I'm gonna add a little drizzle again of olive oil. And to finish it off, just a little bit of lime zest. And the best thing about this is that you can make your popcorn any way that you like. You can add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm sprinkling more of the Parmesan cheese because I love my cheese.
Wait, Mommy, is that popcorn?
And that's your quick tip of the week. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time.